Am I audible, Lavanya? Hello. Am I audible? Do you are? Sounds not clear. Okay. Okay. There was a network issue due to some. So sorry for that. So let's start with the. I told you already, and just start with the. Start. There is a type of in the Venn diagram. We face the circles and we can create the triangle, rectangle. Basically, there is close figure we have to create. The circle is easy for us. Because of this, we are create the circle. In the first type, if we think this is the A and this is the B and this is the C, okay, then the relation between A, B and C. So the relation between A and B is no relation because there is no interaction between A and B. After that, if we think the relation between B and C, then there is also no relation because this is the no interaction between A and B. If we think relation between C and A, there is also no relation. In the second type, if we think that a middle circle is A and the outer circle is B and this is small circle is C, then the relation between A and B is the if complete all A lie in the B means all A is B. Okay. And the relation between B and C is no relation. Means that no A, no B is C. And also the same is relation between A and C is the no relation. And the third part, all A lie in the B and also the A, all A lie in the C. So the relation between A and B is all A lie in the B, all A lie in the C. There are two statements and third statement is all B lie in the C. Then we create this then we have to take this if the objective paper, then we have to mark this type of Venn diagram. And if we have to write, then it's the subjective paper, then we have to write this type of uh, answer. And in the fourth part, if we think this is the A and this is the B and this is the C, then the sum A is the B, complete A is the C, and complete B is the C. Then we have to take this type of diagram. Okay, just see some example, then we understand this. And the second type is this type. I already told you there is a two type. First type is they give us three to four words, and the other is statement. That's a complete A lie in the B, and some A is lie in the C, and this type of statement. And the second part is this type of, and the figure is given to us, and they told us that if the P is a teacher, Q is the doctor, and R is the lawyer. Let's take the example. Video is not the clarity. Okay. Wait a minute. I think you have to increase your video quality, I think. If you increase the video quality, then it will be clear, I think. So, if A is the doctor, Q is the P is the teacher, Q is the doctor, and R is the lawyer. Then we have to find who is the doctor and lawyer, Then we give this E. And who is the doctor and lawyer? Then it's F. And if the teacher and lawyer, then it's E. And if the doctor and teacher, then it's a D. And who is the doctor, lawyer, and teacher? Then it's a G. This type of question we face in the examination. Okay, okay, okay. Now my sound is okay. Harshit. Now it's okay. Okay. Now let's take some example of this first type of this. In this example, there is given that we have to find the relation between lady, doctor, and people. So, so option A, option B, and option C. Yes, find the relation between doctor and lady and the people. Just answer this question. If you know, you have 15 seconds. Relation between lady, doctor, and people. It's D. Okay, now anyone else? A. Okay. Okay. Answer is D. Because all ladies are people, all doctor are people. So, but some ladies are doctor. Not the all ladies are doctor because the doctor are some doctors are men also. So D is the correct option. Okay. So we have to find relation between complex number, integer, and natural number. Complex number, integer, and natural number. Solve this problem. Okay, now in C. Okay, D. Okay. Okay, B. Okay. The answer is C. Because if his natural number start from the 1, 2, 3, and 4, then B. Silka. Okay. Answer is C. The natural number start from 1, 2, 3. And the integer are negative infinity to positive infinity. And the complex number, in the complex number, all the natural number and integers, and also the complex number between two integers in the complex number. So the option is C because the natural number is one, 2, 3, and the integer is negative 1 to negative integer, negative infinity to positive infinity, and the uh, complex number is also the real part of means negative infinity to positive infinity, and also the some part like uh, they have the iota part. So O, the complex number is outer part is complex number, and then it's a integer and it's a natural number. Okay. So the relation between Android, iOS and Tizen. Relation between Android, iOS and Tizen. You all know that these are companies, different companies. So according to you, answer. What is the answer? Okay. The answer is D, because Android, iOS, and Tizen are three different mobile operating systems and company specific systems. So the relation between A and Android, iOS, and Tizen, there is a no relation. So correct option is D. Then this is the second type. So if we the circle represent the owner and the triangle represent the worker and rectangle represent the booker. Okay. So in this type of question, what is the ratio of owner, worker, but not the booker, to all the owner, booker, and worker and booker? Then what is the ratio of owner and worker, but not the booker? So what is your answer? Please solve this problem. So the owner and worker. Owner. The circle represent the owner and the worker. Worker. Triangle represent the worker and booker not the booker. Means rectangle represent the booker. Means uh, we have to select that part which lie in the circle and rectangle but not the triangle. Means circle and triangle but not the rectangle. Then this part is 12, 70 and 21. 21 is only the owner, worker is only 17 is only the worker, and 12 who are the owner and worker. So we have to find the ratio of owner and worker, but not the booker, to the all owner, worker, and booker. Who is the all owner, worker, and booker? Is 10 people are who is the all? So the 10 people, and who are the owner, worker, and owner, worker. So 12 plus 21 plus 70 divided by 10. So this here, okay, we have to, okay, we have to select owner and worker but not the booker, means 12, 12 divided by 10, who is the owner. So 12 divided by 10. So our answer is D option. Okay, 6 by 5. Okay, let's take another example. In this following example, rectangle represent the banker, Circle represent the lawyer, triangle represent the teacher, and the square represent the Indians. Means so we have to find which letter represent Indian who are the teacher as well as lawyer. So the Indians are represented by the square. So the we have to find the area or the letter which is lie in the square, and also the teacher, so the rectangle, and also the lawyer, so the circle. We have to find that letter which lie in the square, rectangle, and circle. So the answer is B, means option D. This yellow part represent the Indians who are lawyer as well as teacher. Okay. Uh, then in this example, circle. This circle represent the Indians, and this circle represent the actor, and square represent the singer. Then the person who is Indian singer but not the actor, means we have to find that number who is lie in the first circle, not in the second circle, but also lie in the square. So what's the answer? Option C. Silva. Okay. Indian singer but not that. Okay. C. Okay. Correct option. Uh, Second, this part represent who is Indian singer but not that. So okay, let's take some another example where do some questions on Venn diagram. So start with the first question. Okay, solve the first question. In this figure, how many people are cricketer and tennis both, but not the hockey player? Who is cricket, tennis, but not the hockey? Who played not the hockey? Okay, no answer. Option A, 70. 17, 17. Okay, that's right. 17 is the answer. And then second question, how many books are fiction? How many books are fiction? Means which number will lie in the circle and the not in the triangle but rectangle. How many books are fiction? Option B, 18. And B, anyone else? 18 is the correct one, means book which lie in the circle and rectangle but not the triangle. So 18 lie in the rectangle and the circle, and 14 is only books, and the 12 is only fictions, and 7 is books, fiction, and printed. Okay, how many books are fictions? Okay, but in the question third, complex number, integer, and natural number, this option C, and then the fourth, animal, leopard, and lion. What is the correct answer of this question? First, animal, leopard, and lion. Okay, option C is the correct, because leopard and lion both are the animal, but leopard can't bear lion. So option C is the correct option. Okay. In the fifth question, we have, okay. So the question is, the given figure: square represent the philosopher, triangle represent the police officer, circle represent the pharmaceutics, and rectangle represent the Americans. Then which set of letters represent the American who are the police officer? Okay. So the triangle is police officer and the rectangle is American. So we have rectangle is the American and triangle is the police officer. We have to find those person who are American as well as the police officer. Am I audible to you all? Okay. Who is the police American, who is as well as C option? Okay, and C and D, American as well as police. No, B option. Okay, B option. Rectangle represent the America and triangle represent the police officer. We have to find which set letter represent the American who are police officer. American who are police officer, rectangle and triangle. A, D, C and B. All are Americans. Okay. G, B, C and F. All are police officer. Okay. So the C and D. B and C. B is the American as well as police officer, but there is a note given in that. It's a who is not the other person. We have this. Option that B and C options are right, then option B is the correct option. And this solve this problem. Square represent the doctor, triangle represent the artist, and circle represent weightlifter. Okay. Rectangle represent the Russian. Okay. So which letter represent the Russian who are not the doctor? So, who is doctor? Square is doctor. Okay. And then who is the Russian? Rectangle is the Russian. Which letter set represent Russian who is not the doctor? Okay. Russian are lie in the rectangle means who letter in the rectangle. So we have to remove the D and E. So if we check the D and E is the doctor. D. Yes, doctor. No. Only A is the doctor. So option D and E. Okay, Russian. Rectangle represent the Russian and doctor represent square represent the doctor. Okay, square and A are the doctor and Russian D and E. I think there is a mistake in the option because the who is the Russian? Russian in the D and E are the Russian, and but the not the doctor that A is not in the D and E. Correct. Okay. Then let's go with the seventh question. Diagram the best represent of brother, husband, and man. D. Okay. Yeah, because all brothers are men and all husbands are men, but no husbands is brother. So relation between brother and husband, no relation, and the relation between brother and men, all brothers are men and all husbands are men. So D is the correct option. Let's question 8. The relation between green, mango, and fruit. Green, mango, and fruit. Green, mango, and fruits. First, option D. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? No, option B is the correct option. Option B is the correct option. Because all mangoes are fruits. Then all mangoes lie in the fruit. So this is the mango and this is the fruit and all. And some mangoes are green and some fruits are green. Then option B is the correct option. Option D is the if you choose the option D means according if you select this is the green and this is a fruit and this is not the correct option. Okay. So in this ninth question, square represent the dancer, triangle represent the geologist, circle represent the architect, and rectangle represent the mothers. Okay. So which letter represent the architect who are also the geologist? So means in the triangle the geologist and architect who are the architect in the circle. So means which letter we have to select which are lie in the triangle and also in the circle. Okay. And what's the option? We have to select geologist as well as architect. So who represent the geologist? Who represent the geologist? Triangle. And who represent the architect? Circle. Then circle and triangle. A and B. Okay. Then in the third question we have to find the relation between music instrument, music instrument, piano and guitar. Music instrument, piano and guitar. First, music instrument, piano and guitar. B option. Okay. Uh, okay. Correct option is B option is correct. And then in the 11th question, staff, manager and worker. Staff, manager and worker. The relation between staff, manager and worker, option B is the correct. Because manager and worker all are the staff. So outer circle is staff. Some managers it's chance to be worker, not the all manager. B is the wrong because staff, manager and worker both are the staff of a company. Some managers are the worker because they do their own work, but some managers are only manage the team, not the work. So B is the correct option. And the 12, bull, animal, and carnivorous. Okay. What is the correct option? Hurry up, guys. Relation between bull and animal. Is this possible? All and bulls are animals? Then yes. Then we have to find that option with it. But is this possible? Bull is the carnivorous? Carnivorous? No. Option A is now. Or some animals are carnivorous is the possible, but not the all animals. So we have to find the relation. The all bull is animals, but some animals are carnivorous and no bulls are carnivorous. Okay. Then option D is the correct option. Okay. In the third question, we have to find the relation between country, state, and city. Country, state, and the city. Option D is the correct option because city lies in the state, state lies in the country, and also the city lies in the country. So option D is the correct option. So the relation between professionals, chartered accountant, and female. option B. Okay, bottom. Naveen, option B. Yeah, option B is the correct option because some females are professional and also the CA, and but all CAs are lies in the profession. Okay. In the 15th question, how many are musical tall? Musical circle represent the musical, and toys represent by the rectangle. Okay. So we have to find how many musical toy. So musical as well as toy. How many musicals? Okay, C option. C option. Okay, C is the correct option because in that toy and 14 and 28 as the musical toy. In the 16, we have to find how many cardboard box are not the white. So cardboard rectangle represent the cardboard, box represent by the circle, and white represent by the rectangle. Rectangle represent by the cardboard and box represent by the circle. So cardboard boxes are not white means which lie in the rectangle and circle but not in the rectangle and circle but not in the rectangle. It's a C option. According to you. Not the white, not white. 7 represent cardboard box with white. A is the correct option. Because 6 is represent box and cardboard but not white. Okay. How many black buttons are shirts? Blacks represent by the circle, shirt represent by the triangle, and square represent the button. Okay. How many black buttons are shirt? Which means we have to find black button and the shirt. So B is the correct option. Okay. In this following figure, square represent the optometrist, triangle represent the painter, circle represent the vegetarian, rectangle represent the man. So we have to find the letter represent the painter who are either men or vegetarian. So we have to find first we have to find the painter. So who represent the painter? Who represent the painter? Painter triangle represent the painter means which letter lie in the triangle. We have to find first this. But who is either man or either vegetarian? Either circle, either lie in the circle or a vegetarian or circle and the man rectangle. Okay, not in the square. Basically. So B and E, B and E, B and E, B, E and C, all are the painter. But who are the men? Men represent by the circle represent the vegetarian. Okay, so B and E option, and which also the men. Men are rectangle, but rectangle is not connect with the triangle. So B and option E. So option B and E is option B is the right. Okay. In this, how many people speak Italian? Sorry. How many people speak Italian and French language? Italian and French. not the German. Italian and French. How many people speak Italian and French? Not all. There is A option 21. Okay. Is there any mention that not the German? So we can select 16 also because they speak Italian and French, and 5 people who speak the Italian and French. Okay. Option D. Ship. Option D uh, was 16 plus 5 is 21. Okay. So in the how many hunts are covered and muddy? How many hunts huts are covered and muddy? Means we have to select who are lie in the both in square. Option D. Okay, 19. Okay, lie in the both the square and also lie in the circle. So 19 is the correct option. In the 21 questions, square represent the Delian, triangle represent the botanist, a circle represent the physiologist, rectangle represent the Indian. So we have to select the letter who is psychologist, who are not botanist. Okay, botanist who is not botanist but who is the psychologist. Okay, so who represent the first psychologist? Circle represent, so means A, B, C, and D first, but not the botanist. But not the botanist. Who represent the botanist? Triangle. So basically D is not. So A, B, and C is the option. A, B, and C is the option B. So in the 22, square represent the physician, triangle represent the cricket player, and circle represent the man, rectangle represent the India. So basically we have to represent on which letter represent cricketer player, means which lie in the triangle, and who are either Indian or man. Either Indian or man. So who lie in the triangle, men are lie in the circle, Indians lie in the rectangle. Triangle, circle, and the rectangle. Okay. Which option is the correct option? Basically, cricket player, triangle, circle, or rectangle. Okay. Triangle, circle, and rectangle. Triangle, circle, and rectangle. Okay. Triangle, circle, and rectangle. There is no connection between circle and triangle. If person who lie is the triangle, but also the lie in the circle as well as in the means. So A and G. A and G. Option D is the correct option because person who lie in the rectangle, but also lie in the circle or in the rectangle. So G, F, B, A. G, F, B, A lie in the rectangle. So who lie in triangle? Lie in the triangle, and who lie in the circle? G. Who lie in the rectangle? A. So our option is G and A. Okay. So in this figure, square represent the therapist, triangle represent the gymnastics, circle represent the yoga participant, participator, and rectangle represent the father. Which letter represent the yoga participant So yoga, circle, and who are neither gymnastic nor father. Okay. We have to first find which letter lie in the circle. Okay. A, B, F, G. Okay. But not the gymnastic and not the father. Father, rectangle represent the father. So this A and B is not the option. And the gymnastic, uh, triangle represent also the A. So our option is F and G. Okay. Option B. And question number 24. First with just letter represent the physiologist and actor who are also the father. So the who represent the physiologist, square represent the physiologist. Okay, ADE. And actor who represent the actor, circle. Okay, ADE and BHG. But also the father who represent the father, rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, E and G. Okay, who are the physiologist and actor and also the father, ENG. Option C. Okay. Okay. This last question. In the question number 25, just we have to find a letter represented by the Americans who are not the accountant. Who represent the American? America, who represent the American? Rectangle. So B, E, A, G, and H all are Americans, but not the accountant. Who are the accountant? Circle. So B, A, E all are the accountant as well as the American. So we have to find the American, but not the accountant. So G and H. Okay, G and H. Option B is the correct option. Okay, G also because G is the American. G is the American, but not the accountant. So this also okay. That's enough for today, and I will give you the PDF of 300 questions on Venn diagram. You have to complete in a 1 hour, maximum 1 hour. 300 question in a 60 minutes. Because in the other examination we have just 15 to 20 seconds for one questions. So I will give you a 300 questions PDF on a Telegram. You have to do in a 60 minute. Okay. If you have any doubt in that PDF, then ask on the group or WhatsApp group or on the Telegram group. Okay. Just you have to do practice on Venn diagram, and 300 questions is enough for you all guys. So I will give you 300 questions, and up to 8 o'clock I will provide you the PDF of 300 questions. Then solve at 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 1 hour is okay with you can. Okay. Okay. So thank you.